Hi guys, postman's been. Got 2 packages. We've actually been away, so luckily these went through the door, through the post box, but there is another one that I've got to go and arrange for a redelivery. Anyway, let's open the little one first. Okay. Oh gosh, something even smaller. Double wrapped. I'm not sure what's in there, to be honest. I ought to remember, but I am being careful just in case it's got wires or anything that I'm going to cut through. Stickers. Ah, it's another one of them. Right. Now I ordered this one, another clock, in case you hadn't guessed, just because I was interested about the way it was actually labelled. Because I'm pretty sure it said something like 3 items or 4 items, and I thought, surely it doesn't mean 3 or 4 of them. And no, it doesn't. It means 1 of them, 2 of them, and 1 of them. And that's pretty much identical to one that I bought not so long ago from a completely different supplier. Can I get that to open up? No, I need something a bit stronger than my nail to open it, I think. Yeah, I won't worry about it just now. What is the time? 8 o'clock. In fact, just gone 8 o'clock. Yeah, I bought these, or this one and the other one that's virtually identical, simply because I want to see if I can run them off things like potato batteries and the other things that I've been doing in my window ledge. Because it'll have a small button cell inside that we might be able to just replace. I have found that ones with a clock movement on them don't run so well as the digital ones do. The digital ones seem to need very little voltage. The ones with a clock movement seem to need a bit more. Anyway, yeah, that's what that was. Nothing else in the bag. And as I say, I bought it really just to see what was actually going to come, because it was so misleading the way it was worded. But it wasn't expensive, so I thought, yeah, we'll just go for it. So stick a sticker on there and stick it on there. And then that bit goes into your air vent on your car. But it is metal, so it's not cheap plastic, it's cheap metal. Okay, so that was really just to see what would actually come. And yeah, they've made it look good by saying 4 items or something, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Not 4 of them. Okay, now this one, I've got high hopes for what this might be. It might be a boat. It is. I'm surprised they managed to get that through the letterbox. I expect they squeezed it a bit to get it through. Yeah, it's a kit. It's a solar-powered boat. Gosh. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And there you go. A rowing boat. That's obviously what caught my eye, the fact it was a solar-powered rowing boat. I thought it might be fun. It wasn't particularly cheap. Not as cheap as I like to be. But I just thought, yeah, we'll buy it. We'll have a bit of fun. I won't assemble it now. I'll do that in a separate video. It's one of those low voltage motors that I keep picking up in various solar toys and garden ornaments. A bit of gearing and oars. Got a screwdriver in there. I've actually got a diode on the solar panel. And there was a capacitor in there as well somewhere. But I don't think it's a super capacitor. I think it's just an ordinary capacitor. Just to build up a bit of charge before it starts moving. To give it a bit of a boost when it gets going. Oh, it does say supercapacitor on it. Supercapacitor. Oh, I didn't expect that. So, it actually charges a supercapacitor, so it'll keep running for a few seconds when the sun goes in. They put a bit of hot glue over the solder joints to try and reduce the load on them, I suppose, but I don't think that bit of hot glue is going to do very much. I think that's 55 by 55 millimeters for the size of the panel. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strips. Yeah, that'll be fun to put that together. The boat itself is foam strips with some wood for the bits that need the strength. Yep, we'll do that in a separate video.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.